Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video tutorial, I am going to explain how to mute and unmute Facebook story in Android app. So let's start. First of all, open your Facebook app. So here you can see the stories from your friends. So tap on the story that you want to mute. Here you can see the three dots. So tap on three dots. So you will get this menu and there is a first option, mute and name of your friend. So to mute this story from your friend, tap on mute and your friend username. So it will ask you for the confirmation. So to mute the story, tap on mute. In this way, we have mute the Facebook story from our friend. To unmute a story, tap on main menu. Now scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Here you can see the settings option. So tap on settings option. Now scroll down and go to stories section. So here is stories section. Then tap on story settings. You can see the option stories you muted. So tap on stories you muted. So here is the friend name whose story we have muted. So to unmute a story from your friend, tap on unmute. So in this way, we have unmute the Facebook story from our friend. So in this way, we can mute and unmute Facebook story from our friend. That's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.